Today we will be showing you a brief review of the Parrot MINIKIT portable and vocal hands-free Bluetooth device for use in your car with your smartphone. It is a simple device to use, and I will first show you how to set it up. First, turn on your device. It will greet you.
Please pair device.
To set up your device, turn on your Bluetooth. And your device will search for the Parrot MINIKIT. And here it is. Select it. Enter the default password.
Pairing successful.
And pairing is successful. So this is how easy it is to make a phone call while driving. You just push the green button.
Who do you want to call?
Wife.
Wife. Cell phone. Call in progress.
My wife is next to me with her cell phone. And there it is. So now I'll show you how easy it is to accept or reject a call while driving. And I'm about to be called right now.
Incoming call from wife. Say accept or reject.
Accept. Hello.